How much does timing belt cost to replace? The timing belt is so important to the running of your engine that its failure is frequently catastrophic, which means that in addition to your car suddenly not starting, the internal engine is probably also destroyed. It's one of those parts where skipping maintenance would unquestionably result in a catastrophic failure and a higher expense, notwithstanding how painful replacement is compared to routine maintenance. Welcome to today's video, where we're tackling an essential question for car owners: how much does timing belt cost to replace? Let's get right into it. Timing belt replacement cost. More than just the belt itself is included in a timing belt service. Although everyone has a tendency to view this shift as just the belt, it is not. A set of tensioners and idler pulleys, each of which has bearings and is susceptible to failure and tension, and holds a timing belt in place. The timing belt also powers the water pump, which is used in many automobiles. Since the work to expose the pump is already being done in these situations, replacing it with a new unit at the same time makes perfect sense. Nothing is worse than paying for a timing belt servicing and choosing not to replace the water pump for an extra $100, only to learn 6 months later that the water pump is leaking and that everything needs to be replaced once more. A timing belt set will typically cost between $100 and $350. Most timing belts require 3-5 hours of labor, which brings your overall cost up to $400 minus $1,000. Just the belt replacement is not a wise choice, keep that in mind. Are you finding this video helpful? If so, show your support by hitting that subscribe button. It keeps us going and ensures you won't miss our upcoming automotive insights. Now, let's continue. When should you replace your timing belt? Like engine filters and other comparable automotive parts, timing belts should be changed on a regular basis. They no longer need to be changed as frequently as they did in previous decades, but you should still schedule an appointment to replace the belt between 60,000 and 100,000 miles. Many automobiles can now travel up to 100,000 miles before seeing substantial wear and tear from these belts. It's recommended to consult your owner's handbook to determine inspection frequency and follow the guidelines. And there you have it, the crucial insights into the cost of timing belt replacement. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive knowledge. Thanks for watching.